about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT, and this whole month we're taking the train to Hualien County's Jian Township, and there's a stop right here. Now today we're going to do more of a religious tour, and as you may have heard, the Hakka are very religious, especially with 义民爷 and whatnot, so we're going to find out more. 今天呢，我们带大家直接呢来到吉安乡，坐火车到这边呢，要来了解客家人的一些信仰，包括义民爷等等啦。待会儿来一探究竟喽。Hello Leo，
嘿，
这2天呢，我们真的是一个宗教之旅哦，哈。像说昨天你带我去这个客家人会拜的这个义民爷啊，
义民呀，
既然义民爷有金身这样子，
哎呀，你讲到重点呢，
因为我记得应该不会有啊，对不对？
你知道那西部呢，大部分的这个义民爷都是五令旗、黑令旗，
对，
或是以牌位的方式来供奉的。但是在花莲这边为什么会有金身呢？是因为信徒跟义民爷垫高经过他们同意之后呢，才帮他们塑金身来供奉的哦。
哦，原来有金身的典故是如此哦。那接下来呢？
我们之前不就有讲到吗？田地里头有很多大大小小的石头嘛，
对不对？
对啊。我跟你讲，其实这边的土地公庙里头有很多石爷、石娘、
石神，
不是那个石神啦，是石头伯公。
OK， 那还有什么神明可以介绍呢？
我还要带你去另外一间庙。2次移民的时候，先民来到东部来种烟草。
2次移民嘛，
对，
来找工作嘛。
所以呢，种田要拜什么呢？当然就是公呀，神农大帝啦。
对啊，可惜我没有一块地，那我就移民来花莲了。
They say you need luck in business. Being farmers, when the Hakka came to Hualien's Jian Township, they brought with them what they needed to worship the god of agriculture. One famous Hakka place of worship is Wugu Temple, which also welcomes all people.Hakka are known for worshipping large rocks, and one of these can be seen at the Fude Zhenshen in Yongxing Village. Another religious artifact that came with the Hakka people is their belief in the Lord of Righteous and 3 statues dedicated to him.
好，我们现在来教几个客家的单字哦，跟刚刚那个话题有关的，比如说要找工作嘛，
请条路，
请条路。
但是如果是讲到工作，我们就讲周 C
就是做事这样子吗？ Okay, so 请条路 that means to find a job or just to do a job. 周 C， 然后呢，我们希望可以平平安安、顺顺利利嘛，哈。平安怎么说？
平安
that means peace. And 顺利呢？
顺利
that means smooth. Everything's gonna be all right. All right, that does it for today's Hakka training.
什么泰嘎？
俺只 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.